Hey there, friend. You know those days when everything just seems to hurt and all you want is to find something quick and simple that actually works? Well, today I'm going to share a solution that has transformed the lives of so many people, and I'm confident it can help you too. The best part, it's simple, natural, and affordable. Stick with me until the end because I have a bonus tip that will supercharge this recipe and make you feel even better. Oh, and let me know in the comments, where are you watching this video from? I love hearing where you're tuning in from, and I'd also love to know about any home remedies you swear by. Who knows, I might feature your recipe in my next video. Now let's get to the good stuff, the recipe that can change how you deal with pain. I know it sounds almost too good to be true, but the ingredients in this solution have been used for centuries because of their amazing benefits for the body. Here's what you'll need. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, yes, the same one you use in the kitchen. 1 teaspoon of pure honey, if it's organic, even better. 1 cup of warm water. How to prepare it? In a cup, add the apple cider vinegar and honey. Stir it well until the honey is completely dissolved, then pour in the warm water and mix it again. That's it. Drink this mixture once a day, preferably before bedtime. It helps relax your body and reduce the inflammation that causes pain. Now, let me explain how it works. Apple cider vinegar is amazing for alkalizing your body, which helps fight inflammation, while honey has natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Together, they make a powerful duo for relieving body pain and joint discomfort. Let me share a quick story with you. My neighbor, Mrs. Mary, used to suffer from terrible knee pain. She had tried everything and had pretty much given up on finding a solution. That's when I suggested this recipe to her, and guess what? After just a few days, she told me she was feeling so much better. Now, she's back to tending her garden, which is her absolute favorite thing to do. What about you? Have you ever used apple cider vinegar or honey to help with pain? If you have, tell me in the comments how it worked for you, and if you haven't tried it yet, give it a shot and let me know how you feel afterward. As I promised, here's the bonus tip. After drinking the mixture, you can boost your pain relief by applying a warm compress with coarse salt. It's super easy. Just heat up some water, add 2 tablespoons of coarse salt, soak a clean towel in the mixture, and apply it directly to the painful area for 10 minutes. This relaxes your muscles and relieves discomfort almost immediately. If you know someone who's struggling with pain, share this video with them. Who knows? This simple tip might just transform their life. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on the next home remedy tips I'll be sharing. Let's keep working together to live healthier, pain-free lives. See you in the next video.